What's up? I'm back with another video. So like I was telling you guys yesterday, I was gonna go pick up my hair that I ordered from AliExpress from the post office. However, I didn't need to. I took the little door tag that was on the door. First of all, it wasn't even on my door like I explained to you guys. It was downstairs in the lobby, which means they didn't even bother to come upstairs to our door. That's one, or whatever. So I took it and I showed my grandma it, and my grandma's like, first of all, they didn't even come to the door. I've been home all day. Call them back, tell them to reattempt the delivery. So I do that. I call them back or whatever on my phone. I'm like, yada 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 yada, like reattempt the delivery. And whoever picked up the phone was like, oh, we tried to deliver your package. We rung the delivery guy rung the doorbell and there was nobody answered. And my grandma's like, no, y'all lying because I've been home all day, especially at the time you guys said y'all delivered it. They said they delivered it around 9:20 or whatever. My grandma was like, y'all didn't even come to the door, y'all didn't ring the bell, so y'all need to re-deliver that package tomorrow. That's not how she said it. I'm only making it in a clean version of how she really said it. But literally, whatever she said worked, because FedEx came upstairs and delivered my package upstairs to the door. She signed for it. But however, this is not the first encounterment that I've had with FedEx. If you order, so heads up, if you do order this hair, be very, very mindful of FedEx, because FedEx, for some reason, does not like coming upstairs. They don't like coming to the door. They don't like ringing the bell. They're just very, very lazy people. And I'm at the point where if I make an order and somehow it's coming from FedEx and I have to go pick it up, I'm just gonna have to make a complaint, because this is the second time that they didn't really come or deliver or do expectations. Otherwise, I have no complaints about nothing else. As soon as I ordered the hair, the seller was like on it immediately. She contacted me. Communication was back and forth. She's very, how do I say it this way? There's a word for it that I really can't describe to you guys, but communication was great, shipping was good. I just have to say, like, the only downfall was like FedEx really doing stupid stuff. But without further ado, I'm gonna get into this hair review for you guys. So unfortunately, my other phone won't turn on. It's like dead or whatever. So I'm just like, I can't even tell you guys what the name of the company is or anything like that. So I will provide it in the link down below once I'm done. However, I got a total count of 4 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's really cute because they came with flexi rods or whatever. But I've never used flexi rods, so I don't really know. But I'm gonna do some experimenting with them. Whatever. So I got 10, 12, 14, and 16 inches. I was just gonna get all 16 inches, but I was like, I wanna layer it. So I'm gonna layer my hair. Whatever. So I'm gonna open up the 16 inches and I'm gonna do my little test run with the hair. Basically, oh my god, there's a rubber band right here. Like, why is it coming down? Okay, so first things first, the hair is really, as you can tell, it's bouncy. It looks like it's already true to length. Sadly, I don't have a ruler, so I can't really tell. There's no smell or anything like that. Oh my god. The hair is like super, super, super soft, as you can see. Like, this is beautiful hair. So no complaints so far. So far so good. Or whatever. I would recommend this hair. This hair is like pretty decent so far. I will be doing an installation video as well, so like don't worry about that or anything. But it's always good to deep condition your bundles anyway when you're purchasing it from outside, or like even in general. It's good to just deep condition it and stuff like that, just to be on the safe side. Well, that's what I do. I don't know if anybody else does that, but I definitely do that as well. So it's really good for you guys to do that. I do want to formally, apologize and say that I'm sorry that I haven't really, been posting, been vlogging. A lot has happened in the past, I guess, 2 months since we've last posted. But I'm back. We're gonna be back soon. We're gonna be doing a bunch of challenges and story times or whatever. So I hope you guys are really, tuned for that. And like I said before, if you stay subscribed, it's really highly appreciated that you guys stay subscribed, that you guys share the videos, that you guys still are viewing the videos. It is like muchly really appreciated. So I hope you guys are really gonna stay tuned for the next couple of videos that are coming out, because I'm excited to do them as well. So stay tuned. But I will be providing the link down below to the hair I got, like all that stuff, all that good stuff. So yeah, I will be doing an installation video, like I said before. You know what that installation video will be tomorrow, because these braids have got to go. It's been a month with these braids. I love them, but they got to go. Like, they gotta go. They gotta go. So we'll be doing that. I haven't really decided if I'm gonna get a middle part or a side part. I don't like getting a middle part so much because my forehead is like massively huge. Sometimes I get like a side part so it covers it. I don't like side parts either because it's more work. But yeah, so stay tuned for the installation video, guys. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe already. Hit that like button and press that bell notification button so you never miss out when we post. And also drop a comment down below what you guys want to see. Of course, like, let a sister know. But okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So it's officially the next day, guys. I look super drained and I know I look super crazy with this hat on, my work hat on, but I'm waiting for the bus now so I could go get my hair installed. And it is downright fucking hot. Ooh, excuse my French, but it is really hot. The weather said it was gonna rain today, and I'm just like, all this sun and all this hotness, I don't know when it's gonna rain. None of that none of that at all. And I'm sitting here with long sleeves on or whatever, but I got on like a nice little tank top after. I just need this bus to hurry up and come, honestly. So once I get it installed, I'm gonna do my little thing. So, oh, that's not the bus. But yeah, see you guys after my hair is installed. So I came to the realization when I was editing the vlog that I was supposed to be posting today that in one of the videos the AC like overridden my voice. So I'm like, I can't even upload that. I can't even like get my voice to be louder than the AC. So I'm like, damn, okay, I have to find another way to vlog this video. So I tried to vlog it outside, and the wind is just like moving my hair in different directions, and I don't really like that at all. So I'm like, okay, what's the next best place for me to vlog? So currently I am in my bathroom because it's quiet, there's no wind, there's nothing that will override my damn voice. So as I was saying, like, okay, I got my hair installed yesterday on a place on 170. I've always been going there for years. If you want to know where I get my hair done, feel free to ask. I only, let certain people go where I go to get my hair done, whatever. So I went to go do my hair around like 11, not even at 11:30. I went around 11 o'clock because I wanted to get in and get out. So it took about 3 hours because I left at like 1 something. For me to have a little head and it take like 3 hours to do a weave, it's just like, I know I have a lot of hair. So she used 3 bundles, but when she got to the 3rd bundle, she left like a little bit of piece of hair that she didn't really use. So honestly, for a full weave for me, it's like 3 bundles. So that extra bundle that I showed you guys, the 4th one, wasn't really necessarily needed overall. But if I wanted it like more full, she could have added it, but I was just like, no, this is decent enough for me for now. So what else? Like I said, the hair has no smell. This is full or whatever. The bundles came thick. Oh, and when she weaved it, she doubled it. If you know, for my people that get weaves done, it was doubled, it wasn't singled. So this is all double sewed on. The bundles were thick, no smell. My only complaint is like every time I get my hair done, as you can see, the curl pattern is like gone. So it's either I'm gonna like wand it or flat iron it, but I pretty much like my hair, I like it curly sometimes like when I'm going out, but seeing how I have 2 jobs now, so it's just gonna probably like be flat iron because I wear a hat at both my jobs, so it's like nobody's really gonna be paying attention to my hair or anything like that. As far as I'm concerned, like I believe that was it, mainly that I'm trying to remember from the other video. If I didn't already mention it, if you're ordering this hair, just be on the lookout for FedEx, because FedEx really does play a lot of games, and this is not the first time FedEx has done this to me. They didn't like deliver my package to the door. They was like, oh, you have to come pick it up, and my grandma's like, y'all didn't even come to the door, so y'all need to re-deliver this package or whatever. So that's the only frustration out of everything that I had. Like as soon as I purchased the hair, like literally 2 seconds later, the seller was like contacting me, asking me like, okay, you know, this is what's gonna happen, and updating me basically. So that's the best part. As soon as you order it, the seller's gonna contact you immediately and stuff. So communication was good, shipping was good. The only thing was like FedEx, but that has nothing to do with the seller itself. But I would recommend you guys get this hair if you want to, you know, make a wig or just, you know, get a weave done. And I honestly didn't spend a lot of money on this as well, because my thing is like I don't like spending a lot of money to buy hair that's like, I just don't personally like spending a lot of money on hair that I know, because I'm gonna change my hair in a month, and that's just like money going to waste. So I spent under $100 for 4 bundles, and I just feel like you're not really gonna find that anywhere else. Even if you go to like a beauty supply store either, you're not gonna really find that. So as mentioned, I will provide the link down below in the description box for you guys if you want to purchase this hair as well. And if you have any questions that I didn't answer, or like something I didn't describe, leave a comment down below. The only question I will not be able to answer right away will be, can I dye, can I bleach, will it take it? Because I'm trying to keep this hair like maintained for a while before I actually go head forth and bleach it and dye it. So that's the only question that I cannot answer right away. But as far as I know, you can bleach the hair, and you can dye it, and you could do whatever, and it'll be perfectly fine. That's as far as I know. But if there's any other questions that you guys want to know, leave a comment down below. And without further ado, this vlog is closed out. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And if you are subscribed, please share this video, and also, like I said, give it a thumbs up. Alright, bye guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next vlog. Oh my god, so I'm on my way out. I'm gonna be out the door or whatever, but I closed out the vlog, and I'm like editing it, and I'm re-looking over everything, and I realized like there were 2 videos that were supposed to be on this vlog that somehow got deleted because I switched phones. So I no longer have a 6S Plus, I have an 8S Plus. So I tried to get everything transferred, and I don't know what happened. Like, the video just vanished. So if you're listening to the vlog and you're like, oh, I didn't say that before, and I'm like, this, that, and the third. It was supposed to be like me going to the post office and me explaining things, but you're gonna see what I'm talking about once you get further into the video.